Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to get Pioneer bank account details. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a guide. So first, just simply go to pioneer.com and just simply click on sign in on the top right corner and just simply sign in into your account. And once you are signed in guys, on the left side of the screen, you should be able to see here get paid, which is the third one. So just simply click on get paid guys, and from here just simply go for the receiving accounts. So just simply click on this receiving accounts. So guys, from here you will have two options: pending accounts and approved account. And once your account is approved, you should be able to see here your account guys, and from there it will show something like this. Instead of provide documents, you should be able to see their view details on the approved accounts category. And if you don't have a bank account added yet, you should be able to see something like this. So just simply click on request account, and after that you can just simply click on next, and after that just simply select a country that you prefer. You can go for Eurozone, UK, or Japan. So pretty much it will be depending on you. Let's say I'm gonna select three of them and click on next. And as you can see, just simply click on submit request. And after that, guys, just make sure to provide the necessary information that is being asked in order for you to make this process successful. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.